This 2016 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, smoke detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, slide-out, TV, DVD player, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS is 10,570 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.